This is the face of excellence, a commitment to delivering to you an estate where your dream blossom to reality. Tiwa Gardens Phase 2 is currently being developed to perfection, an estate that shines bright during the day and even brighter at night. With a 100% completed gatehouse, lush greenery, good road network and solar powered street lights, Tiwa Gardens Phase 2 is ready for you to buy now and build your dream home. Whether it's the night view or day view, everything at Tiwa Gardens Phase 2 speaks excellence. Sure, you've seen the great work we accomplished at Tiwa Gardens Phase 1 and Tiwa Commercial Hub. I'm excited even much more for what is currently happening at Tiwa Gardens Phase 2. Tiwa Gardens Phase 2 is located in one of the hottest ports in the Ibeju-Lekki axis, with premium activities happening right here, both local government and private investment. And this is a place you want to build your next home right now, or even secure land for the purpose of long-term investment. You can key into any of the available plot sizes at Tiwa Gardens Phase 2. Buy now at the current selling price, as price increase will take effect in a few weeks. If you're thinking of redefining your living, this is a perfect estate for you.